In this video, we are going to talk about how to take care of our mental health. Mental health refers to cognitive, behavioral, and emotional well-being. It is about how people think, feel, and behave. Mental health can affect your daily living, relationships, and even your physical health. Mental health conditions affect people of almost all age groups. Half of the mental health conditions start by 14 years of age, but in most cases are undetected and untreated. Important facts related to mental health conditions. Mental health conditions account for 16% of global burden of disease. Globally, depression is one of the leading causes of illness and disability among adolescents. Not addressing these issues extend into the later stages of life and impairs both physical and mental health. One, become aware and mindful of what you think. Ways of becoming aware. 1 is meditation, 2nd is practicing detachment, 3rd is becoming an objective observer. These 3 stages or these 3 activities are interrelated to each other. Let's explore them in detail. When you sit in meditation, you start paying attention to your thoughts. Meditation is not about stopping any kind of negative thought, it is about getting aware of your thoughts. Once you become aware of your thoughts, they can be related to fear, pain, worry, anxiety. You create a gap between your thoughts and yourself. That is known as detachment. You don't have to fight yourself to remove these thoughts from your mind. Just recognize their presence. Once you become aware and detached from the sequence of your thoughts, you can become an objective observer of your thoughts. Now your thoughts will have less power over you. At this stage, you can choose to create the thoughts which are beneficial for you. Ultimately, you move towards conquering your mind. 2. Not taking things personally. If you take what one says personally, then it means that you are seeking their approval to live your life. When someone is not behaving well with you, always remember that they are saying things from their own filter of their experiences and behavior. It says nothing about you. So there is nothing to feel sad about the behavior and attitudes of other people towards you. It is not your fault. You can choose to remain happy and contented in your life. The people you choose to be with is totally up to you. 3. Enjoy the journey instead of always worrying about arriving at the destination. Success sometimes takes longer than you expected. The process helps in building the capacity or the muscle to handle success. So celebrate even your small wins when you are in the process of achieving your ultimate success. All this will keep you focused and you will be able to retain your sanity in the process. So when you embrace the journey and enjoy every moment of it, you definitely arrive at the destination feeling more satisfied and fulfilled. 4. Maintain a mental health first aid kit. We all know about the first aid kit which we keep for our physical health, but nobody talks about how to take care of our mental health when we are in the midst of crisis, for example when we are feeling triggered emotionally. The mental health kit is meant to lift your spirit instantly. The purpose is to help you to focus on the other positive aspects of your life than keeping you stuck with negative emotions and energy. You can make the list of things which lift you up mentally and emotionally instantly. You can choose to do a particular activity which you have listed in the moment when you are not feeling right. Here are some suggestions. You can work out for a brief period of time. Working out leads to movement of our body and channelizing of energy from head to toe. You release negative energy and attain the capability to think better. You can listen to music of your choice. You can listen to podcasts which are inspirational in nature. You can write down your thoughts on a piece of paper, and it will be an unhindered writing. You just write whatever comes in your mind. You can read books. Books help in grounding of your energy. Books help in giving you a perspective which is wider than yours. Depression, anxiety, and tension happens because we tend to look at life from our narrow perspective. You can read quotes which are inspirational, motivational in nature. They will encourage you to take right action and to think in the right direction. You can start practicing positive affirmations. It is very important to replace your compulsive thinking into sound, positive, and balanced thinking. You can find the positive affirmations playlist in the description box below. Create a brag book for yourself. In the brag book, you can list down all your achievements, list down the things you are grateful for in your life, list down those achievements which you thought you would never accomplish. The intention of all these practices is to create a gap between your thinking and your reaction to a particular situation. This list, which we call a mental health emergency kit, will avoid any impulsive or drastic decision from your side. All these things will definitely make you feel good about yourself. For taking care of our mental health, it is these small steps which we undertake which will make a lot of difference in our life. It is also meant to stop you before you get on a negative overthinking ride in your mind. 5. Create a support system for yourself. Support systems are meant to be with you in the times of crisis and with whom you can share your vulnerabilities. Don't be alone, and also don't leave others alone during times of crisis. 6. Prioritize your goals. It is easy to get overwhelmed by seeing huge to-do list. There is no need to feel pressured. Schedule the tasks according to your capacity. You can adopt an 80-20 rule of goal setting, also known as the Pareto principle. This rule suggests that 20% of your activities will account for 80% of your results. So focus on the most important tasks in the day and complete them one by one. The Pareto principle is a concept that suggests that 2 out of 10 items on any general to-do list will turn out to be worth more than the other 8 items put together. So this is a smarter way of goal setting, and you won't feel pressured or overwhelmed by this. 7. Value yourself. You need to take care of yourself mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. You need to first give attention and love to yourself before you can give it to someone else. Self-love is the path to true love in your life, and it will bring you more fulfillment and positivity. Protect your time and energy. Both are precious. Adopt some kind of self-care activities for yourself. 8. Start journaling. Journaling is simply writing down your thoughts and feelings to understand them more clearly. Benefits of journaling. You will be able to get a clarity of thought. You will be able to understand why you behave in a particular way. It will help in understanding your emotions. You will be able to create a better relationship with yourself. You will be better at tracking your goals. According to a study in Harvard Business School, participants who had the habit of journaling at the end of the day had a 25% increase in performance when compared to a control group who did not journal. Social media impacts your mental health in a lot of ways. It leads to making of comparisons. It distracts you from your important tasks. You tend to believe that everyone's life is better than yours, which is not true. You don't develop any kind of social skill. It bombards you with a lot of information, which is definitely not good for your mental health. 10. Have clear communication. Lack of communication starts a conflict inside of you. It disturbs your inner well-being. So direct communication with the person you are facing issues will clear any kind of misunderstanding, and it will leave you with a peace of mind. So you need to voice your feelings and opinions for your well-being. It is one of the simplest ways to solve a lot of problems, and it will leave you with a relaxed state of mind. 11. Stop making comparisons. As it is worthless to compare apples and oranges, stop making comparisons of your life with the life of others. Instead, feel inspired what others are doing in their life, and you can adopt their positive behavior and attitudes into your life to make your life better. Realize your uniqueness and work accordingly. You will experience more inner peace. Human connection is must in the times of crisis. We need to be beside each other when the times are tough for us. The humanity has to ultimately win with a higher and renewed consciousness in place. With a change in consciousness, we can collectively change the consciousness of the entire planet. So instead of hatred, let us spread love and cooperation with each other. The change will begin from you. Taking care of your mental health is the first step. When you are feeling empowered, positive, and happy within yourself, you shine your light on the entire planet and the human beings living on this planet. This is how the change will come. So you are the first pioneer in this direction. So take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching this video. Always take very good care of yourself. Like, share and subscribe to this channel, and stay tuned for more self-help and self-improvement videos.